Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I want to introduce you to a salvia that is a superb pollinator supporter, especially the hummingbirds. And it's one you can grow in your garden even if your garden's not a full sun garden, because it'll flower quite well in shade. And you can see this location in mid to late afternoon is shady. It gets a fair amount of sun in the morning, but it's shady the rest of the day. This is a salvia, a hybrid salvia. It's Salvia Rockin Deep Purple. It's very similar to a slightly older cultivar called Amistad, and they are hybrids between Salvia guaranitica, hummingbird sage, and well, Amistad's a hybrid between that and cardinalis, and guaranitica is typically blue, and you cross those two species, a blue species with a red flowered species, you end up with this gorgeous violet. They are blooming from mid-spring at least up until hard frost. Lots of bees visit the flowers, but if you have this, you'll have lots of hummingbirds as well. Now, the older forms of Salvia guaranitica were pretty aggressive spreaders. This is a great big plant, but it's not spreading. I can push back some of these stems and you probably get a good sense that the crown of the plant is only about 2 feet wide. So every year it dies to the ground with a hard frost in late fall, and every spring it regrows from this crown. So it's not spreading beyond that. You do have to allow for a plant that gets at least 6 foot wide every summer, but it's a well-behaved plant that's not going to spread through its neighbors because it's not spreading underground. So, I love the color, but the fact that it's not spreading makes it a lot easier to use in most gardens. There are selections of straight Salvia guaranitica that do not spread. One of the best of them is one called Salvia Black and Bloom. I have to enunciate on that because there is both black and blue and black and bloom. And unfortunately, they didn't make the cultivar name a lot different from black and blue. Black and blue is a gorgeous thing with the black calyx and the cobalt blue flowers, but it is a spreader, which is fine if you have several acres to plant. But most of us with gardens of more modest size can't make use of a plant that spreads steadily ever onward. So black and bloom, spelled B-L-O-O-M, if you can find the real thing, is just like this one in that the plant will get big every summer, but every winter it'll die back to a small crown. So it's a plant you can plant where you want it, and it's going to stay there. It's not going to be spreading into all of its neighbors. But any one of the salvias that are Salvia guaranitica hybrids are excellent hummingbird plants, and also a plant that will flower spring up until frost in a brightly shaded area. They'll thrive in full sun, but if you don't have that, they'll perform quite well in bright shade or half-day shade or sun. They're also a salvia that will be perfectly happy in a soggy spot. The genus Salvia is huge, about 500 species. Some are extremely drought tolerant, and a few are plants that want a boggy condition, and this one's sort of in the middle of that range. It can go either way, but it's best if it's not drought stressed. Like many salvias, the foliage is fragrant. It's the fragrance of Salvia guaranitica is not unpleasant, but it's not fragrance that would encourage me to grow the plant just for that feature. And most salvias, and which are the genus Salvia is part of the mint family, and that family is generally avoided by deer. I can hear somebody saying they eat it in my garden, but generally deer avoid members of the mint family. So Salvia Rockin Deep Purple or Amistad will give you a plant that looks like this for many, many months of the year. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.